There are important characteristics that ENC holds for our agencies when it comes to our products. Proterra is a great partner because they hold those same values. Safety is a very important part of Proterra's products, and that was a key tenet of why we chose Proterra as a partner.
Safety is imperative to almost everything we do here at Proterra. That's not even more true with partnering with a company like ENC, who they make electric transit buses, which are carrying around people.
This is a bus that's being powered by all electronic components. Being able to provide a service for people is #1 in my book.
We know we can depend on Proterra to be there to support and back the product that we've put on our bus.
Partnerships really are a cornerstone of how we run our business. Me and my team specifically partner with our OEM partners to fully integrate and validate our packs in their specific application.
Integration is one of the key items in building a bus with a partner.
Passing on that knowledge to other folks within ENC and also within Proterra. I mean, we're learning both ways, and that learning is good because that means we can help build a better product for the future. From the engineering side, it's expanding our knowledge.
There are more benefits to battery electric buses than just zero emissions. The ride quality, the noise, and the overall operator experience is also superior on a battery electric bus than, say, a traditional diesel bus.
With the batteries from Proterra, we're able to perform and outperform some of the initial theoretical data that we had. The components of choosing a Proterra battery was the actual capacity and energy that it has with the bus, range of course, and how well it fits with our unit already.
It's very important as an American company and an American manufacturer that our partners are also Buy America compliant and based here in America. We are here to provide a high quality product to American agencies built with American hands, and Proterra shares those same values. People ride public transit for a host of different reasons, and to play a role in that is a very important mission and something that we take very seriously.
I take a lot of pride in our work we do here at Proterra to actually help build a sustainable future. That really gives me a lot of drive when I wake up in the morning to come into work and help design our brand new battery packs.